übrig. So. The left hand up. We step wide. The upper body and right turn. Turn around to the outside. The left hand push up. Both fingers look into the same direction. The right leg turn 90 degrees and look into the right hand. Ja, keep body straight. Don't fall. Hier nicht so viel Hohlkreuz mehr rein. Okay. Ja, jetzt ausdrehen. Yes, very good. Here, up. Yes, now it's good. Look, hand and finger straight. Very good. Here too much. Yes, so. Relax. Yeah. Yes. Here, relax, and here turn. Hier Druck. Ja. Hier kräftig drin. Ja. Und der Fuß umdrehen. So. Genau. Straight. Left arm straight. Straight. Keep straight. Both fingers, same line. Upper body straight, do not fall back. Turn much as possible. Straight here, straight. Hoch die Hand. Und umdrehen. Don't fall back with upper body. Straight, look here. And here turn. Heel down. You can turn a bit more if possible. Yes. And look. You feel the stretching, you know. This is for kidney stimulation. So you must turn as strong as possible, you know. Relax. Yeah. Here straight up. Here turn. Hinschauen, rechte Hand. Ja. Gewicht mehr. And now very important, we go back very slowly, please. So, very slowly. And the right hand up. The right hand up, okay? Breathe normally, like 6 seconds in, 6 seconds out. Relax the breathing. And the heart rate will become slow too. Relax the hands. Elbows are in round angle. Fallen lassen. Bleiben. Sehr gut, ja. Fallen lassen. Okay. Genau. Genau. Schulter fallen lassen. Outside, ja? Ja, okay. Fallen lassen. Die Hand fallen lassen. Fallen lassen. Yes, okay. See, round angle elbow. See here. Let the hand fall into my hand. Let everything fall. You don't. Let this fall. Relax. Yes, okay. Yes, now you're more relaxed than before. This angle. Round angle. Relax. Fallen lassen. Yes. Fallen lassen. Hier. Nicht runterdrücken, fallen lassen. 𝐈𝐴𝐸𝐳. Again, on the other side, step wide. Turn with the left hand. The right hand go up. The left leg turn 90 degrees. And look into the left hand. The right hand is straight. Both fingers look into the same direction. Streckender. Ja, hinschauen. Hier ein bisschen zurück. Nicht den Körper zurück, nur die Hand. Ja. Ein bisschen mehr drehen ist dann einfacher. Strecken hier, straight. Ein bisschen mehr drehen vorne ist dann viel einfacher. Genau, sehr gut. Sehr gut, so, genau. Es ist gut, wenn das da ein bisschen streckt. Ne? Genau. Yes. Keep our upper body straight and turn as much as possible. Straight. Hands straight. So, and we slowly go back. Very slowly. And the left hand's up. One very important aspect in the Wudang Qigong form is how fast you go into tension and how fast you relax from this tension. Okay? Usually the slower, the more efficient the form is. Because doing the slow relaxation, the fascia and everything can do the stretching. Relax. Relax. 𝐈𝐴𝐳. Push up strong, yes, and turn. So, and slowly go back. And the right hand is up. Breathe slowly. 𝐈𝐴𝐳. Connect the right heel with the ground. The right hand straight up and turn. Do not overstretch the left shoulder. So, and slowly go back. And the left hand is up. Relax elbow, okay? Relax. When you feel this is no relax, you feel here hard. Yeah? When the elbow goes up, the shoulder becomes hard. Relax shoulder by putting the elbow looking down to the ground, okay? Simply relax. Yeah? Yes. So for the last round, please try breathing breathe in, then go into the posture, then hold the breath, and then keep the posture as strong as possible, okay? This is very important for cleaning inside and for the practice itself, okay? So we try by holding the breath and keep the tension as long as possible, okay? 预备，走 slowly, breathe in, take your time. Go into posture and hold the breath and keep the tension strong. So, and slowly breathe out and relax. The right hand is up. Maybe now you feel a bit the heart rate going up, okay? Do not stress. Keep breathing slowly. Breathe slowly, 6 seconds in, 6 seconds out. The faster the heart rate, the more stress we have. It's no good. There's no reason to stress. Just enjoy the Qigong, focus on the breathing. Yes. And we do the other side. So, take your time again. Breathe in slowly. Turn around. Hold the breath. And keep the tension. Hold the posture as strong as possible. What we don't need in the posture, relax. So, and slowly breathe out. And we go back to our basic posture. Yes. Every posture where we have this tension, where we need the power, the oxygen go into this part. Oxygen and qi means energy, you know, go close. So where oxygen is going, qi is also going, you know. So it is very important to understand which part in each posture relax and which part should be more powerful. Übe, so, again, breathe in, breathe out, and we go into mapoo posture. When we go into mapoo posture, make sure the upper body is as straight as possible, okay? Make the posture as straight as possible, yes. Maybe you need to open the hip, okay? Keep the posture straight. Do not go like this, okay? No, okay? Keep straight, okay? Here we go, mapoo. Okay. Push the hip in, okay? Yes, okay. Breathe in. Open chest, open. Breathe out, push shoulder forward. So, breathe in, under the shoulder. Breathe out, push over the shoulder. So, breathe in, open chest. Breathe out, push forward. So, breathe in, under the shoulder, open, push up, over the shoulder. So, breathe in, upper body straight in this posture. Breathe out. Breathe in, under the shoulder, and breathe out. And so, go back slowly. And we go back to our basic posture. Relax the breathing. If the heart is going faster, try focus on slow breathing. Shoulders relax during the breathing. Just breathe here. The ribs and shoulder don't move. The heart is important for emotion, okay? When we stress, the heart goes faster and the hands become cold. You know? So, during the breathing, we make sure the heart stays slow. This is why we can become quiet. We don't have so much emotion. So the breathing is essential for becoming quiet and calm inside. Stress is no good. If you stress yourself during the practice, maybe it's because you're tired or you don't train too much. Maybe you think you aren't so strong. Or maybe it's just thinking, okay? Either way, there are several ways how you can be stressed out. How we enjoy the practice is to accept the situation. So when a posture is hard, you don't question the posture. You just stay into this posture and relax. Accept the situation and focus on breathing. When the breathing is stable, the heart will be stable too. The next posture is a little bit more tiring. Doing this posture, again, We focus on a clean posture, so we need the mapoo one more time. And we focus on pushing both hands outside, so we do stretching, okay? We do stretching, really important. Everything else, try to relax as much as possible. Okay, we try once, okay? 预备，走。Breathe in, breathe out. The right hand stay up. 走 we go into Kombu. Go into Kombu. Yes. The hand go behind ear, okay? Behind ear. And now turn mapoo, upper body straight, and push both hands, both sides, and turn the body so the head is horizontal. The head should be in horizontal line. Yes. Keep the posture. Very good. Straight. Yes. Horizontal. Head horizontal. Yes. Very good. Straight. Keep straight. Straight. Yes. Stretching. Very good. Here. Push. No pressure, you know. More power. Use more power. Here. Open. Yes. Outside. Here. Go. Go. Upper body straight. Go back. Upper body. Keep straight here. Horizontal. Straight. Keep body straight. You need more here, you know. This should be straight. This straight. Yeah? Now go in here. Yeah. And now focus upper body straight, okay? So, hands fall down, don't stand up yet. Upper body straight. And with the hands, slowly go up in a straight position. The left hand is up, yes. Okay. I was looking a bit, one important part is, look at me, okay? Some people do it like this. They try here, turn a lot. Yes, but this is not the practice, okay? You try here straight as possible and bring the upper body over to the side. So you go in here, you open the hip, okay? You go in here and you're pushing, no? You push here. Okay, so do not do it like this, but try relax here and go in with the hip. Go in with the hip, okay? Then the upper body can be straight, it's no problem. Okay, so you try open here. Try open here, okay? Easy. Try to relax, okay? Relax and open. Okay? We try the other side. 预备，走 again. Kombu, Kombu, hands behind the ear, and go mapoo, mapoo, and go over, and push. Open this, yeah. Open hip, straight. Here, open. Yes. Here, open. Outside the knee. Mapoo, mapoo. Here, open. Straight. Make it straight. Yes, very good. Yes, very good too. Very good. Yeah. Okay, keep holding, keep holding. Very good. Yes, here's number one. Okay. Okay. So, slowly keep our body straight and slowly go up. Right hand up. Okay. Now breathe. Breathe. Okay. If it's stress, is a problem. No stress. Breathe slowly. Relax. Just relax. Slowly breathing. Relax. No need for this. Yes. 𝐸𝐵, 𝐸𝐲. Go again, Kombu. Hand behind ear, behind head. And change, mapoo. And push over, push, yes. Very good. Holding, holding. Yes. Straight. More hip. Here, flexible in the hip. Yes, very good. And look here. Yeah, look. Yeah, look here, straight. The head horizontal. Yeah. Straight. Yes, here. Lower. Open hip. Open hip. Yes. Straight back. Straight hand. Over here. Here, push. Straight. Push straight. So, and relax. Straight body, straight here. And go up. Left hand up, okay? Again, breathing, relax, relax elbow. Breathe slowly. Straight finger, okay? Straight. Relax. This, yeah. 𝐸𝐵, 𝐸𝐲. Kombu. Behind ear. Push, mapoo. Lower, mapoo, open hip. Upper body straight. 𝐸𝐲. And go up. Right hand up, okay? Keep breathing. Slowly breathing, the heart rate go down. For the next posture, we breathe in, then breathe out slowly and push. Then hold the breath. Do not breathe in anymore. This practice is most efficient when you remember the posture. So make sure you make posture as good as possible. Because it's only short time. You have only one chance, okay? You have one chance for good posture. Then you have good effect, okay? So that's why try breathing and make heart relax as much as possible so you're prepared. Übei, 𝐸, Kombu, breathe in. Now, go posture, breathe out. And hold the breath. Do not breathe in. 𝐸, breathe in, relax. The left hand up, relax. Breathe slowly, the heart can relax, okay? Ist gut. Ja. Falls es zu viel wird, einfach hinsetzen, gell? Da ist ein Platz.
Okay.
So lang halt. Übei, 𝐸, breathe in, go into posture, slowly breathe out, and hold the breath. 𝐸, breathe in, relax. And we go into our basic posture and we do correction, okay? Yes. Head, Kopf, ja. Nicht so viel, genau, passt. Das ist nicht gut. Machst du die Übungen zu Hause? Mhm. Raus, da. Ja. Raus. Ja. Spürst du einen Unterschied? Jetzt ist nichts mehr. Mhm. Okay. Hier raus. Yes. Gut. Mhm. Yes. Raus hier. 预备，走。Return 虚步。Step forward. Kombu. Go over 瀑布。Gravity center come forward and go Kombu step. Now make sure you open the knee, open here, okay? Do not close, yeah? Open and hip turning, yeah? Hip go open here, open and hands and feet one line. Keep holding. I check posture, okay? Open hip. Hüfte bleibt. Open. Hier öffnen, hier drin. Open. Make straight. Yeah. Not too much. You're overstepping, you know. Das bleibt gerade. Du kannst weiter so nach hinten. Ja? Du kannst hier, aber dieser Winkel bleibt. Ja? Du kannst eh runter. Ja? Nur du darfst nicht das Knie nach vorne bringen. Du kannst ein bisschen breiter. Ein bisschen noch. Spürst du das? Ja. Noch ein bisschen. Yes, jetzt haben wir es. Jetzt, oh, perfekt. Ja, und hier öffnen. Ja, open. Ja, okay. Yes, yes. Keep holding. Breathe. Easy, easy breathing. You feel here strong breathing. Yeah? Lower dantian, strong breathing. Keep the posture calm. The hip lower. Hip lower. Here. Yes, very good. Here, open. Very good. Yes. So, Pubu. So, come forward. Kombu. Keep holding. Yes, yes, outside. Here, turn. Yes. 45 in. Yeah, turn. Straight. Here, low. Yes. Here, straight. Here, straight. Yes, very good. Here, open, open, turning. Here, turning. No, not too much. A bit higher. Yes. Now straight. Keep the body straight. Huh? Straight. Straight body. Yeah. Up, higher. Straight body. Huh? So, Pubu. Pubu. Look at me one time, okay? I see some people do this posture like so. And then try, okay? It's no good. Body straight, hip open. So the body stays straight. And then you just open here, okay? Open here. Do not do it like this, no. No, okay? This is no good, yeah? You just turn here. You go here, straight body. And go. Okay, we try focus, okay? So, come forward, Kombu. Kombu, try body straight. Open the hip. Kombu, 𝐯𝐲𝐝. Ferse raus. Stay straight. Here, stretching. Here, stretching. Go in here. Yes, very good. Stretching hip, okay? And breathing. Here, stretching here. This one. Yes, very good. Open the knee. Open the knee. Yeah. Okay. Higher, a bit higher. Higher. 走 pubu. When you go pubu, do not try to keep the upper body here. Go with the upper body forward, you see. The gravity center 50-50%. Yes. So go over. Kombu. Keep the body straight. Turn. Open the hip and go. Holding the posture. Yes. Very good. Turn body. Yes. Here go. Hip open. Hip go. Yeah. Here straight. Here. Yeah. Do not turn. Keep straight here. Here go in. Inside here. Oops, careful. Keep holding. So, pubu. So, kombu. So, pubu. So, kombu. So, pubu. And slowly go back, mapoo. Upper body straight. And go up. Breathe slowly. Relax. Go back to basic posture. Slow breathing. For the upcoming exercise, we're going to is posture. You try the hands stay as calm into space as possible. Okay, do not shake the hand. Okay. The last exercise is for the heart. Okay. So the heart is here, and means these parts must be as quiet as possible. So you don't shake the hands. We try slowly. 预备。走。走。Straight. Turn over and keep holding. Hands stay calm, okay? Hands stay calm. Upper body up. Keep the upper body up. Yeah? And the toes push up. The knee go up. Straight. Nein, hier passt schon, aber der Fuß eher so. Ja. Die Fersen hoch. Standfuß gerade. So, and go up and relax. Breathe slowly.预备，走。Hands stay calm. Upper body, hier up, knee up. Ja, hier Spannung halten. So, and slowly go back. Yes, relax.预备，走。Yes. So.预备，走。Andere Seite, ja. Yes. Hände ruhig halten. Stay calm with the hands. Breathe normally. Knie höher. So. Go back. Yes. Slow breathing.预备，走。走。 for the people who have problem with the hip, okay, when you do this movement, okay, the toes look up and the toes stay up. You just turn and turn over and go up, back, okay. So make sure that the toes are up and then turn over and stay straight, okay. Do not go like this, okay. Sometimes I see here like this. No, okay. Try open, keep tension, then turn, open, and go up. Okay? The movement easy, okay? Just need here turn inside. You need turn, okay? Turn here. Okay, 预备，走。Standfuß gerade. So. When we do the closing, okay, when we do the closing, first go up, go back, and turn open, and turn back. This way we stay straight here. Okay, so it's simply here. Turn like this. Okay, one last time. Try focus. 预备，走。Die Fußzehen zeigen. Umdrehen.走。上课。师傅辛苦了。